Did you know a 52-week savings challenge can really help you? And how is that? It can help you save money for your emergency fund if you don't have one. So stay tuned for this great tip. I'm going to show you how you can start an emergency fund and keep it going. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025, let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know what do you think of this video. Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video because there may be someone that could use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And like I said, if you don't have an emergency fund, this 52-week savings challenge can help you. And the reason it can help you is because we're working with small amounts of money. When we take small amounts of money, every time we get some money, put it away to the side and save it, it adds up over time. We are working with this. What is this? A $20 bill. So I have 7 savings challenges, and this is savings challenge number 6, which I do on Saturdays. And what we're doing is we're stuffing, this is a cash vault money box, something like this, something like that. I got it off of Amazon. It was around $13, $14. And every Saturday since the beginning of 2025, you and I, those who are following me with this particular savings challenge, have been stuffing this cash money box with, I got it upside down, with $20 bills, okay? Now, this particular box, it had a label. It had, well, when it came in the box, it had these different labels for different savings challenges. And this one was plain. So you just say right down here something, how much you're going to be putting in here. Like I put $20 here, and the total amount is going to be $1,040 for 52 weeks. But I think I'm going to stop it at $1,000 because that is the goal, to save $1,000. We know we need at least $1,000 to save for an emergency, and that will cover the emergency up to $1,000. But we don't want to stop there. We want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses in case something like this happens. You see that? We want to have some money to tap into. We want to be ready, and we want to be prepared. Now, one reason this savings challenge is so great, will be very helpful for someone that is in this situation right here. Okay? Or this situation right here. Or in this situation right here. Yeah. Because when you get paid, however you get paid, whether you work a 9 to 5, you have side hustles, you're an entrepreneur, you have your own business, surely you can take out $20 and stuff it in a money box. Now, you don't have to have this. If you don't want to buy this, find something else around the house. Find something that'll be free and use that. Just make sure you keep this money in a secure location that's waterproof, fireproof, and theft-proof. I have been saying it in all the videos, and I kind of stopped saying it, but it came to my mind to start back saying it, Okay, and another thing, we don't want to be in this situation when an emergency comes. Because if we're in this situation when an emergency comes, this is what people usually do. They run out and get one of these, and we don't want to do that. Or they run out and get this, and we don't want to do that. Or they run out and get this, and we don't want to do that. Or they run up a bunch of this, and we don't want to do that. Because this is not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest. And it keeps us in the hole, and it keeps us from being financially free. And not only do we want to save for emergency, we want to build wealth. And we got to get our position, our finances in the place where we can build wealth. One thing we can do is pay off this. Or, you know, if you have one of these and you're living in this situation, maybe you could sell it and find something more economical and more affordable, something that you could pay cash with. Okay? And another thing that will help is to come out of this. Okay? Just say, for instance, every month this was $500 and this was $200. Let's just say. That's $700 right there. That is money that can go towards an emergency fund, and it can be saved and invested to build wealth. Yeah. And another thing that will help, if we live on less than what we make, watch our spending, stand out of this, go to the grocery store, buy groceries, cook your own food, and meal prep instead of eating out all the time. Do you know eating out is expensive? Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, that is expensive. And if we just go to the store and buy our own food, that will save a lot of money. And another thing, if you're going to this place 2 and 3 times a week, when you go to the grocery store and buy groceries, buy this and make your own. You'll have more coffee and spend less money. And that will help also. We don't want to be in a position where we're in this position if we don't have any money for emergency. And that's what will happen. We will be in this position if we don't have money for emergency funds. Okay, so you and I are going to be doing this particular savings challenge. And like I said, this is a 52-week savings challenge. And this week is week 16, I believe. So we have 36 more weeks left. That's all, just 36. And here first I was just putting 20s here. Then I started putting check marks for every time I would put a $20 bill in here. Okay, so let's go ahead and stuff this with this $20 bill. I'm gonna roll it up really tight and put it here. Now you can find these money boxes. I saw them on TikTok, Temu, and Amazon. Okay? And like I said, but you don't have to use this. You can find something else to put yours in. Okay, let me go ahead and record this. Okay, so today is Saturday, April 19th. And this is called our Money Box Savings Challenge. We added $20. And the total is, what is that? What did that say? Is that $250? Is that $270? $300. Is that $300? I can't hardly even read my own writing. That's terrible, Wanda. Oh, it's $300. Because last week it was $280. So see how it is adding up. I started this in the beginning of 2025. Okay, so drop me a comment and let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or if you're doing any of the other savings challenges, and let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.